Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save a Memoji video into your photos. So you are just going to go and select Memoji here, and you're just going to record a video using it. Let me just wait for it to load. It's this one right here, I think. Okay, there. I'm just going to press record button and say, hello, how are you doing? Okay, let's just stop that and say, and you're just going to send it to the person. You have to kind of send it though, and fortunately, hopefully you can send it. Okay, then you're just going to select this for a few seconds and just press save. And then that's pretty much it. You do have to send it though, and like select this and press save, and it's going to be saved to your gallery. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!